PayMaya is currently operational overall, though some specific features are undergoing maintenance. According to Maya's official status tracker, the overall app is up, but cash in via bank account is temporarily unavailable while they perform system adjustments. How to check for localized or app-wide issues. If you're having trouble opening the app, logging in, or completing a transaction, check official Maya status. Visit the official Maya support status page for real-time feature availability, network and app troubleshooting. Toggle airplane mode on and off, or switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi to refresh your connection. Clear the Maya app cache, or force stop and restart the app. Ensure your app is updated to the latest version in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Maya support contact. If you suspect an issue specific to your account, you can access support inside the app via profile Get Help Chat with us, or call their hotline at *788, free for smart users, or +63288457788.